Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, today we are going to be cooking indoors today. We're going to be using the crock pot. Haven't cooked in the crock pot in a while, okay? It is like 17 degrees outside, so as much as I want to throw this meat out there on the smoker, I do not want to get out there and catch pneumonia, okay? So we're going to be cooking some pineapple, ginger, beer sliders today, okay, in the crock pot, only using a few simple ingredients, okay, and we'll hook our sliders up at the end. All right, so let's go ahead and get started.
He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
All right, guys, so here we have a 2.5 pound beef chuck roast here. We're going to go ahead and season this bad boy up. Now you can use whatever seasoning you want to use, straight salt and pepper, SPG, what have you. We're going to be using this Pit Boss smoked salt and pepper. I like this. It's got a little hickory flavor to it, so even though we're not outside smoking, it may give us a little hint of that ambiance of smoke. Okay, so we're going to season this, and I'm not going to season it like I'm smoking it for 18 hours because I don't want it overly salty, but just gonna give it a nice gentle coating. Okay, like so. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this bad boy in the crock pot, but first we want to put in our onions. Now the original recipe said red onion. I don't like red onion, okay? This is regular yellow onion. I didn't have a Vidalia sweet onion, and that's what I would have used, okay? So here's a medium to large size yellow onion, and it's not diced, it's cut it into ribbons. So we just cut it in half, and then we just sliced it so it can be cut into ribbons. So we're gonna put those down in the bottom. All right. Then we're gonna take our chuck, we're gonna put it on top of our onions like so, all right? Then we have 4 garlic cloves here, so we're gonna put those on top of our meat. All right, spread those out a little. And now for our liquid, okay? So now, once again, the original recipe called for Italian dressing. And what I'll do is I'll put the original recipe and then the Bad Beast version down in the description block so you can try either or. But what we are using today, we are using this G. Hughes pineapple ginger marinade as our liquid, okay? So we're gonna put 1 cup of this in here. Now, if you don't have G. Hughes or you don't have a pineapple ginger marinade or pineapple ginger sauce, you could always use pineapple soda if you want to, okay? So we're gonna pour this all over our meat and all down onto our onions. And last but not least, your favorite beer. Now, if I had some dark beer, I probably would have used that, like maybe the Modelo Dark. But I'm going back to my favorite, my Blue Moon. We're gonna add a cup of that also. About a cup left, so a cup for the dish and a cup for the pit master. All right, so we're gonna pour this in here as well. And that's it. So we are going to put our lid on. Put our lid on. Okay. And don't clamp these down. If you have one of these crock pots that have these clamps on it, don't clamp that down while it's cooking. That's just simply for transport, okay? So just lay these down and get them out the way. And we're gonna put this on high, and we're gonna put it on high for 6 hours, or you can cook it on low for 8 to 10 hours, okay? But we wanna get to our sliders as fast as possible, so we're gonna go the 6-hour route. All right, don't go nowhere. We'll see how our sliders come out. All right, guys, so it's been almost 6 hours now. We're gonna go ahead and pull our beef chuck roast out of the crock pot, put it in this Pyrex dish. We're gonna break it up and season it down, and we're gonna see how it came out, okay? So let me go ahead and get this. I'm gonna bring you closer, and we'll go ahead and get this bad boy shredded up. All right, we're gonna get our top off of here. See if we can get this out. Looks like it's already falling apart. Yeah, it's already falling apart. I'm gonna bring the Pyrex dish over the crock pot. It's falling apart. Should be some nice shredded beef. All right, let me bring you closer. All right, so here's our chuck roast. Let's see if we can shred it up. I have my glove on with the cotton insert to protect my hands from the heat. And it's shredding up really nice. 6 hours in the crock pot on high, bad boy's falling apart. Look at that. Talk about nice. All right. So one thing I did forget to show you guys is that we did put some bay leaves into our cook. So make sure you put a couple of bay leaves in your cook when you put these your chuck into the crock pot. All right, so now that we have our meat all shredded up, we're gonna fish out our onions out of our crock pot, and we're gonna put those in there as well. We'll need the bay leaf. All right, so we are going to touch this up just a little bit with some more of the pineapple ginger marinade. Not much, just a little. We're gonna just drizzle it on. Just see, punch up the flavor a little bit. And then to keep that pineapple theme going, we're gonna hit it with a little Badia's pineapple pepper, all right? Just a little bit. We can smell the pineapple in that seasoning. Now let's mix it up. All right, let's go ahead and have a taste test. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and have a taste test and see how it came out. Oh. Yeah, that's nice. It's got a nice little sweetness of pineapple flavor to it. I think it still needs a little bit more salt and pepper. So I'm gonna hit it with a little bit more salt and pepper. And then maybe a little bit more of the pineapple seasoning, the pineapple pepper seasoning. So let's do that right quick. Just a little bit more of this. And we're gonna hit it with a little salt. And we're gonna go ahead and make our sliders. So hang on. All right, guys, so we got our slider buns here. They've already been cut in half. We're gonna put a little bit of this on top of it. Yes, sir, yes, sir. All right, then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of Japanese hot and spicy barbecue sauce. Just a few little drops here and there just to give it a little All right. And then you can put cheese on here if you want to, but we're gonna go au naturel. Put it on here. Let's break them apart. And let's go ahead and taste these bad boys. All right, guys, so we got our slider. That smells fantastic. This is one of them sweet honey roll too, so we got a little sweetness from the Hawaiian roll as well. Oh yeah, the fat melted in the chuck roast, man. The onions, the pineapple flavor. Man, this is really good. Just think I need a little bit more salt, man, but to balance out the sweetness. Other than that, man, this was a fantastic cook, okay? Well, that's all we have time for today. Hopefully the weather will warm up sometime soon. We can get back outside and do what we do, okay? But until then, these indoor cooking apparatuses are our best friends, okay? Next weekend is supposed to be 19 degrees, so we'll probably be cooking indoors again next weekend as well, okay? So, hey, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, do us a favor, please. Hit the subscribe button and hit the like button on here. It definitely helps us out with the YouTube algorithm, okay? And as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.